Collaboration between users when working on your bids can sometimes be tricky. Luckily, the Project Comments feature simplifies this process with an on-screen takeoff. Users can add comments on a takeoff image, reply to comments, and view the entire list of comments that have been added to the page. A Comments tab displays within the panel on the left side of the screen within the Image tab. To add a new comment, simply click on the Comments tab, and then click on the blue plus sign in the bottom left. A Quick Start pop-up displays, allowing you to get more information on this feature if needed. Press OK to close it and keep moving. Then, click on the sheet where you'd like your comment to show up. A Comments window then displays. In the Comments window, enter your name and then type in your comment. You can also assign a color to your comment. This can be useful to help you tell apart new comments versus comments that have already been reviewed and addressed, for example. Once the relevant information is entered, press the Add Comment button. A Comments icon now displays on the image. In addition, you can see a full list of comments that have been added to this sheet in the Comments panel on the left side of the screen. From there, if you need to send this off so others can review your takeoff and see your comments, you can use the Send button at the top of the screen. There are options here to specifically accommodate the Comments feature. Once you choose how you want to send the bid package, in the Range field, you can choose to select pages with takeoff and comments, or you can choose the Custom Select Images option, where you can choose exactly which images you want to include and whether you want the selected images to include comments. Now you can send to others, and they can review your comments. Not only that, but you can reply to any existing comments as well. To do so, simply double-click on the comment header from within the list on the left, double-click on the comment icon on the image, or you can also select the comment from the list to which you want to reply, and then click the Reply button at the bottom of the panel. The process is now the same as adding a new comment. Just enter your name, your comment, and change the color if needed. You can then see the full conversation transcript in the panel on the left. Please note that comments cannot be edited or deleted once they're added, which ensures a full audit trail of the conversation throughout the takeoff and bidding process. Finally, please note that comments are added to their own unique layer within the bid. This allows you to determine whether the comment icons display on the image, either on screen or when you print. However, the comments can still be viewed from the Comments tab, even if the comments layer is hidden. When using the Project Comments feature, it's now easier than ever to collaborate with your team using On-Screen Takeoff. Please note that in order to use the Project Comments feature, you must have a current maintenance subscription. If you don't currently have one, please contact your customer success manager.